Hey guys, I'm Nicholas McMeans and welcome back to Video Game Unboxing. And I already unboxed the Ghostbusters for the Xbox One, but now it's broken. And I put them in the trash and now I just broke it. But I don't have a PlayStation 2 anymore, but I'll get it on eBay soon. Anyways, this does have the Activision logo. And it's made by DreamWorks Animation SKG. And it's a movie. And it's rated E10 plus. Anyways, here's the front, spine. And I'm going to unbox Madagascar for the PlayStation 2. Anyways, here's the front, spine, and the back. From the zoo to a place that's totally new. It's a zoo break with Alex, Marty, Melman, and Gloria headed for the Isle of Madagascar. Play as Alex, Marty, Gloria, Melman, and the crafty penguins. Adventure through action-packed chapters. War, kick, bounce, and spin as you learn to survive the wild. Interact with totally new characters and locations unique to the game. It's made by Toys for Bob. And it's rated E10 plus for cartoon violence and crude humor. Anyways, and this one is released in 2005, just like Shadow the Hedgehog, Shrek Super Slam, and Tony Hawk's American Wasteland. But Shadow the Hedgehog does not have the Activision logo anyway. Anyways, let's open this up. Here's disc, and here's the manual. And here's the insert for Shrek Super Slam. I do not have that game, but I'm going to get it soon. Grab your friends and have a brawl. Battle it out with twisted characters from the Shrek universe in an all-out slam fest. And that game has the Activision logo as well. Sorry about my brother talking. Anyways, that's the PlayStation 2 unboxing of Madagascar, the game. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, click the like button if you love this video. Thanks for watching, bye!